In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Temple Run mobile app. So if you're having problems with your app, maybe your app keeps on crashing or it keeps on just stopping or the app can't open, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now there are various ways we can fix this problem on Temple Run game app. Now in the first method, we need to access the app info page. Now there are two ways we can do this. First, we can go to settings, and then from settings, look for apps, and here is apps. If I go ahead and tap on it, look for this option called manage apps, but on some versions, you might find written all apps. Go ahead and tap on it to open or to display all the apps you have on your smartphone. From here, proceed and look for your app. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and search for your app under search app here. So if I go ahead and search for my app, you can see Temple Run is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. So you can see we are on app info page. That is the longest method. However, if you want to get here using a shortcut, then let me show you. For this, just go to your app, and my app is here. Then long press on it. And here you can see we have this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, then you'll see you will still access app info page. Now here we need to go ahead and clear data for this app to troubleshoot it. Now if I go to storage here, you can see we under user data and cache, we have a lot of files that have been stored on this app. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of these cached data. Now when you talk of cached data or cache files, these are just small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it to enhance the performance or usability of your app. However, the accumulation of these files might result into your app malfunctioning. So to clear cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data down here, and you can see we have the clear data button. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have two options, either to clear all data or to clear cache. Now in the first place, don't clear all the data, just go ahead and tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Now look at that, our data has been cleared and now we no longer have cache data. Now at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app, and now it should start functioning well. Now for most problems, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if that didn't solve your problem, you might need to go ahead and clear all the data. To clear all the data, this will go ahead and wipe everything on your app, and then you'll start afresh. So just go ahead and tap on OK, and then this will have cleared all your user data on your app. So that is the second method you can use. So go and try and see if this solved your problem. However, if these two methods didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and try out the third and the final method. And this is to go and look for any update. So if you're using an Android smartphone, you might need to go to Google Play Store. However, if you are on iPhone, then go to App Store. Now, because I'm using an Android smartphone, I'll go to Play Store, and here it is. And from Play Store, I'll go ahead and look for Temple Run, and here it is. Now here's my app. From this page, we have this button called play. Now if you see update here, it means you have been using an outdated version of Temple Run app, and you need to go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download and install the latest Temple Run app. That will be able to fix most of the bugs and errors you have been experiencing, and also you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. So once you're done, now it's time to go ahead and open your app. Now at this point, everything should have been solved and your app should be able to function normally. So that's how you troubleshoot and fix problems related to Temple Run game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.